personally myself. This is either a blow up to the upside or it's higher movement's going to take place. It's one or the other, and I accept that for what it is. 8:12 a.m., 6/20/2014. In our live trading room, once again, we have identified with possibilities of an upside trade playing itself out, getting into brand new blue sky territory. It's either the trade to the upside will go or it's a blow off. I've personally taken the trade under the pretense that although volume is light, the accumulated volume with more coming in after the trade's been taken will continue to push the prices to the upside. I don't expect that if prices trade up, we'll have a large move. I expect to pick up anywhere from a half, 3/4, possibly a point on this trade. And the minute things look like they're changing, we'll be out of this trade as fast as we got in. Have a profit right now at 1952.75 traders. Price is moving up at 52.50 to 52.75. Additional volume has come in for 1,000, 1,100 and rising. All clear across the board. Price is trading up now, 52.50, once again 52.75. Be quick on the gun here. Accumulated volume is good, people. MFI momentum is a little higher to the upside at 57.83. $52.75. It's a profit right there, people. Quick half. You can take that off. Quick half. Holding 52.50. $3,134 contracts traded within these three bars. The accumulated volume, once again, 3134. MFI is now back down marginally here, marginally. That can go right back to flat if prices trade up another tick. EMAs are strong. MACD is good. SMI is good. Marginally off to flat here. Now moving back up on the prices. Yeah, come on. 52.75 for a gain now of a half at 52.75. You can take that off, people. After the preferred end is set at 52.25. $52.25, 52.50. $52.75. MFI remains marginally down with the new bar open. New open at previous close, down a tick from the open on the previous bar, 52.50 traders. Now, the longer the hold time on this trade, and the longer that volume doesn't come in to support the continued movement of prices to the upside, the greater the open risk becomes on the trade, right? He had one more shot on a recent bar's high, again, to get out at 52.75. 52.75 hit again, right? It appears that 3 volume spikes came in for over 3,300 contracts, has stabilized prices at that level. Without the continued movement to the upside, because of the lack of volume, the open risk becomes greater. Long-term holders, you're good. You're good. Brad, I sure would like to see 7,000 contracts come in and push these prices right up another 3 points.
You and me both.
I'll bet. I'll bet. It is possible. We're holding. Yeah. Marginally off. Chicken as well, marginally off. Just need that push. Volume's light, people. Very light. And although holding at 52, 50, 52.75 without the volume, you can lock in a half. When you get back up to 52.75, there you are one more time. Lock in at half a point early AM at 8:19 AM Eastern, 6:20, 2014. Here's your volume coming in now, people. And price is trading down. 52.25. Back to preferred in. If 50.22.25 is held, or below that by a tick at 52, right? Once superior resistance at 52 got through, now is held as support, right? It is possible that price can continue to trade to the upside. We need lots of volume to come in on the accumulation side to push these prices up, people. It's not going to happen without it. It will not happen without it. So far held at 52.25. So far. Here you go, 52.75. Right back up, 52.75. Chris Shaw, call him up and tell him to trade long. 10,000 contracts right now. Okay. Shakeout complete to the downside. 509 plus 497. You're at 52.75. One more chance to take off a half a point gain here after the 52.25 in. In our live trading room at the Inside Technician, it is now 8:21 a.m. Eastern Standard on 6/20/2014. MFI unchanged since last quote. Chicken money flow is marginally up to, or flat to down. Yeah, marginally up to marginally down. Here's your current configuration, oscillating back and forth based on the sensitivity. The current 1-minute prices oscillating here between here and a tick down. Now we have possibilities of 2 down closes at 52.50. 8:22 a.m. 6:20. Some additional volume coming in, not much. 407. Now we have a jump up to 533. MFI is flat as compared to marginally down at a 58.13 value. It's like we're as if we're waiting for the tap, right, Brad? Waiting for the tap.
Mm-hmm.
The tap comes in for 1,500 or above, more like 2,000, 2,500, and it's a long. We have best possible fill. We already got it. We're good to pull in another 1.5, right? Something to that effect in that neighborhood. And book a great early morning profit, 823 M, 620, 214. Price of holding at 52.75 traders. So plenty of chances this morning after the preferred end was hit on two separate 1-minute bars to get out at the current ceiling at 52.75, and there's another opportunity right here, right now to do that. And here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Yes. Keep it coming. Let's go. Here you go. Come on. Let's keep it long. Make it and keep it long. MFI is flat to marginally up. 783. $52.75 MTM, $52.75, 8:24 a.m. Eastern. Let's give me 53 and a quarter. Come on, give me 53 and a quarter. Come on. 52.75. MFI unchanged. Once you get up to 53 again, traders, I mean, you're looking at 3/4 of a point gain early on, right? MFI is marginally up, 59.32. That's 59.32 now. $52.50. Current configuration out of the MFI at 52.50. MTM 52.75. 787 is coming on the current 1-minute bar. That's 787 lots. Back up 53 and back down 52.50. Chicken money flow now on the beginnings of a negative divergence here compared to these indicator levels to prices. Stay out of that right now to see the configuration. Come on. 52.75, 52.75. MFI remains up, holding at 59.99 value. $52.50 MTM, $52.50. MFI at 60.21. Current configuration is here. $52.50. Trendline violation in play. Had a chicken money flow. Back down to 52.25. Hey, Brad, I'm already out of this trade, by the way.
Yeah, I am too.
What'd you pick up?
Flat. Got
Flat.
that filling the way in at 52.50. 52.50.
Damn. Okay. Okay. I got a half. Now, I'm not opposed to trading back in at all. Prices stabilize. The rule of thumb is to get back in above the most recent highs, closes here at this point. So we know that those prices were 53. That becomes 53 and a quarter, right? That becomes 53.25. It's either that or you're looking to get in on a retracement to the downside at 52. This is a lot riskier, people. For those of you that would consider that, right? At 52.25, the preferred in here, back at this point, or 52. In anticipation of prices will find resistance, superior resistance at 52, right, from the 15-minute chart, as support and trade up from it. Those are not that's not a guarantee, traders. That's a riskier trade. The momentum is changing direction, and it is to the downside on the chicken money flow. If that doesn't go flat and remain flat at the time you hit resistance turn to support, that can go against you as fast as a shot through a gun, and you're going to get back a lot of money. Now we have something changing here with more momentum to the upside. We're clear outside of the MFI marginally down. That could change quickly. It's going to be 53 and a quarter. For the next preferred end. Volume has increased. Prices are stabilized. Long-term holders, you're still good to go. You have found 52.25, the previous preferred entry, as support on a 1-minute chart. We'll see. The MFI is down considerably. Possible down close in front of us. Come on. $52.25 it is. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. Prices remain stable within the channel that's established at 53 and 52.25. More volume comes in. Money flow indicator turns back around to the upside. It is possible to get to a higher level. Those of you that are long-term holders, you never even got close to getting stopped out here. You got right back at the original in at 52.25 where it was found as support. 52.75 stable, 52.75. Three volume spikes come in, push the prices up to create the new level. Additional volume is here to stabilize prices. 8:33 a.m. MFI could go either way real quick. Real quick. $52.75 and holding. And now 52.75, 53 being tested again. $53.25 is the preferred fill, getting through the previous 53 level, found as resistance. For those of you who are long-term holders, you're back up at 53 on any one of a number of tries, volume now picking up again. So you have a profit now with the new preferred entry being hit at 53.25 from the end of 52.25 of 1 point. That's an excellent early morning profit. At this time of day, 8:36, trading into brand new blue skies. The new all-time high price in this market becomes 1953.25. You're looking at history being made right in front of you. Incredible. Right in front of me. And here we have another preferred entry that's hit, and prices will trade through it for me, getting into a brand new trade to the upside at 53.25. This trade will either go or it won't. With the increase in volume, I feel more confident about the upside potential. 1406. Always willing to take the risk getting into brand new blue skies, but I'll be out of this trade quick if this turns right back around. Indicators across the board have turned more positive and clear to be long. It is a lowest level high probability trade at a number 6 that exists within this methodology designed to find, track, and trade the largest institutions once again. Yeah. Here we are. Price is now up 53.50, 53.75. Long-term holders who are in at 52.25. You are way in the money this morning based on us calling it back here. I have never cut the tape, Brad. We're still rolling. Now up 53.50, 53.75. 53.75, 53.50. 1435, and then again 1177. MFI is positive. EMA is MACD, MI. Checking money flows marginally up. Price is holding at 53 and 50. Here we go. I don't know whose pocketbook that was, who just traded in for 2,496 contracts in a single second, but it wasn't mine. Good. Give me what I need. Price is trading at 1954 now, traders, 1954. $19.54 and a quarter on the high, and we're up. Clear to remain. Be long. E-mini futures, 8:39 a.m. Eastern Standard, 6/20/2014. Our live trading room. The inside technician, we have identified a secondary leg of a trade. It came in here, was called at this area for the long, found resistance back down at the initial in for support. Traded back up through here to get the secondary fill at 53.25. We're trading at 54.25 right now. Now up to 54.25, yeah, and 54.50 for an excellent gain. That's 54.25, 54.50. Volume increasing. 2,100 lots, 2,114 lots, 2,169 lots, 22, 29, 23, and moving. We're now at 54.75, 54.50 people. History being made right in front of us. 54.75, incredible. 55, 55 and a quarter. Bid it right up to 6,147 contracts, traded long. 55 flat, just about ready to get out of this trade. $55.25 and rising $55.50. Want to get out on the rally, $55.50. $55.25 now, traders, $55.25. And back to 55. 55. $55.25 and holding. Current resistance level based on the previous bar's close, 55, 55.25. 50-minute indicators are clear to remain me long. We're already up from 52.25 up to 55. That's 55, 54, 75, 55. I'm out at 55. That's it. 55 out. Current 1 minute bar, 8:43. Okay, I'm going to cut the tape. This is Jeff Killian, the Chief Market Strategist for the Inside Technician. We have successfully identified and taken two different trades. Here at this price point, I'm back at 8:14 a.m. at the 1952.25 level. And out with a half a point gain right up here when prices did not continue to move to the upside. And then again here at 1853.25, right here. Not on the high, but on the close. And we're looking at a move that's taken us all the way up into brand new territory. Prices could continue to move to the upside, but I have taken a profit off the table and got out of 1955 at 843 after getting in at 1953.25. Again at 37 here. For more information about this highly profitable live trading room, you can contact us through the Contact Us form at theinsidetechnician.com. And Adrian Bickham, the Inside Technician agent and in charge of booking this room, will respond to you within 24 hours. Make sure you leave your name, email, and telephone number in that Contact Us form so we can get back to you properly. We'll see you on the next live profitable trade. 8:45 a.m., 6/20/2014, signing off.